Picture this. You're walking down the street in Mexico, Colombia, or Spain, and you want to say something kind to a friend, your partner, or even your family. Instead of only saying hello, you can say te amo or somos felices. Those are real, natural Spanish expressions, and today I'll show you how to use them step by step.
I love you, you love me. Te amo, me amas.
Now let's start with the first phrase. Let's focus on this part. Te amo, it means I love you. Let's see some other examples. Te amo, mamá means I love you, mom. And te amo mucho means I love you very much. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Te amo. Let's keep going with the next phrase from the song.
We are happy, can't you see? Somos felices, no lo ves.
In this sentence, somos means we are. It comes from the verb ser, which means to be, and felices means happy in plural, because we are happy. Here are some examples. Somos amigos means we are friends. Next, we have love is nice, love is sweet. In Spanish, we say el amor es bonito, el amor es dulce.
Love is nice, love is sweet. El amor es bonito, el amor es dulce.
Let's look at the words. El amor means love, bonito means nice or pretty, and dulce means sweet. Examples. El día es bonito means the day is nice. El café es dulce means the coffee is sweet. Here's a little tip. Adjectives in Spanish can change depending on gender and number. For example, bonito can become bonita for feminine nouns.
We walk together, love that soars. Caminamos juntos, el amor vuela alto.
Next is we walk together, love that soars. In Spanish, we say caminamos juntos, el amor vuela alto. The verb caminar means to walk. Caminamos means we walk. Examples. Yo camino al trabajo, I walk to work. Nosotros caminamos juntos, we walk together.
Every day, love grows strong. Cada día, el amor se hace fuerte.
Now we have everyday love grows strong. In Spanish, it's cada día el amor se hace fuerte. Cada día means every day. You can also say todos los días, which literally means all the days. Example. Cada día aprendo más español. Every day I learn more Spanish. Now it's your turn. Practice with me. Say out loud, te amo, somos felices, and caminamos juntos. And in the comments, write one phrase with the word amor or somos. For example, somos una familia feliz. We are a happy family. Today we learn beautiful Spanish expressions from the song Te amo, me amas. Somos felices, el amor es dulce, and caminamos juntos. These are powerful phrases you can actually use in conversations with friends, family, or someone special. If you enjoyed this bilingual lesson with music, please give it a like, subscribe to Bilingual Leens, and share it with a friend who's learning Spanish. And don't miss my next video where we'll use another song to learn the most common verbs in Spanish conversations. See you next time!